Hey guys, I wanted to explain your second assignment. It's called a poster project. So it's not going to be an actual poster. It's not going to be something you hang on the wall. It's going to be digital, and you can use Google Slides for this. If you're familiar with different resources such as Canva, you can do that as well. But at least it needs to be on Google Slides, okay? But for this project, you're going to create two different posters. Poster one is going to be about one of the six dimensions of health. So that's physical, social, emotional, mental, spiritual, or environmental. You choose one of those. The second poster is going to be about one of the six risk factors we learned. That would be tobacco use, behaviors causing injury, sexual activity, things like that, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to open a Google slide. That's your very, very first step. You're going to add 2 slides to the presentation. So by adding 2, you should have 3 slides in total, okay? Next step, be creative. So on this poster, what I want you to do is to create something with all visuals, so all pictures. You can have limited words, not very many, but I don't want you to tell me what you chose on this slide, okay? I want you to try to explain it to me without coming right out and saying physical health or behaviors causing injuries. I want you to show me. I want you to create an infographic showing me what you've chose, okay? I will provide you with an example in just a minute. On the third slide, so the first slide is gonna be your dimension, your second slide is gonna be your risk factor. The third slide is you're gonna tell me, on slide 1, I chose blank, what dimension of health, physical, social, emotional, etc. On slide 2, I want you to tell me which risk factor you chose. Behaviors causing injury, alcohol use, tobacco use. Which one did you choose? And we will go over these in our lesson in class, or for some of you by the video that you'll be watching. Okay, we'll go over these and we have notes on these. So you can get a feel for what these mean. Okay, but you're providing a graphic, a series of graphics, a series of pictures telling me which one you chose. And then the third slide is I chose this, I chose that, okay? Be creative. There are points for being creative, all right? I'm gonna flip the camera. I'm gonna show you exactly something similar for what I'm looking for. One will be on paper, one will be on the computer, okay? And I'll show you the difference between the two. If you want to do it on paper and then take a picture and send it in, you can do that too. You just need to let me know which one you chose, okay? Hold on just a second. Okay, so here's an example. As you can see, there is a recycle bin. It looks like we're at the beach. We've got some clouds over in the corner. Okay, so this is telling me that this could be environmental health, that we're taking care of the water and picking up trash and not burning fossil fuels, etc. Okay, so if you choose the route of creating a picture and sending a picture of it in, this is what I'm looking for. See, it doesn't say environmental health on it whatsoever, okay? But she lets me know that on the back. Now, if you do something on the computer, here's an example, and this is on your project. You will see this example. It says, always remember, take care of your body. So it has a dumbbell, an apple, some toothpaste, a glass of water, and some Z's like we've been falling asleep, okay? So I never come right out and tell you that this is physical health, but from some of the pictures, you can tell that this will probably be physical health. Okay, so in this project, what you'll see is a PDF file, and it's gonna explain what you need to do. If you scroll down, you're gonna see the rubric in which you're graded. The words in black talk about the 6 dimensions of what we're looking for in that poster. If it's different, it will be in red. So anything that's different would be like the risk factor. Okay, so anything in red concerns the risk factor. If there's no red writing, that means it contains to both, okay? So you need to pick which dimension, you need to pick a risk factor. You need to have 3 slides total if that's the way you go. If you decide to go the paper copy, like this right here, you'll need to tell me, or you'll need to send it in, but you'll need 2 of these different pictures, okay? So you can choose the Google Slide option, or you can choose the paper, taking a picture and uploading it to Google Classroom. If that's the way you want to go and you don't understand quite how to upload the picture, email me or shoot me a request to Zoom and we'll walk you through that, okay? So assignment number 2 is creating the poster project. Let me know if you have any questions.